Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is the third DIY we are doing. This is the third wall decor. We are using a typical leaf, and if you do enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next design is uploaded. What is happening to my throat? Yeah, and if you need any of the materials used, you can send me a DM. A link to my Instagram. Hello. A link to my Instagram will be in the description box, so you can check it out, and just press on it. It will lead you straight to my Instagram. Then send me a DM and I will surely respond to you. If you want this particular design too, you can as well send me a DM and I will ship it to you wherever you are. So yeah, do enjoy the video, and once again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you. So this is how our design looks like at the end. All the materials used will be in the description box, so you can check them out, and if you need any of them, just send me a DM. And if you want to buy this one as well, just send me a DM, and I'll see you in the next DIY. Bye.